बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। 10th class mathematics, chapter number 1, algebraic formula and applications. And today we have lecture number 5. So let's start our lecture. Today we discuss about exercise 1.2 and start from the question number 1. Solve the following question using formulas, and I hope all of you know well what are the formula we use today in these questions. I give you the task to revise 15 formulas. Okay, so start the question number 1. X plus 2y whole square plus x minus 2y whole square. Okay, now in this formula, in this question we use the formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. Okay, so in this question a is x plus 2y and b is x minus 2y. Okay, now when we use this formula in this question, we write a square plus b whole square. According to this formula, a plus b whole square, here a is x and b is 2y, a minus b, x minus 2y whole square. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. So that's why according to this formula, we write here 2 into a square means x square plus b square means 2y whole square. Okay, now when you take the square of x, it becomes x square, and when you take the square of 2y, it becomes 4y square. 2 square is 4 and y square is y square. Now we multiply 2 within the bracket. When we multiply 2 within the bracket, it becomes 2x square plus 8y square. Okay, now let's start the question number 2. 5x plus 3y whole square plus 5x minus 3y whole square. Okay, again we use the same formula which we use in the previous question. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. In this question, a is 5x, b is 3y, a plus b, a minus b. So according to this formula, we write here 2 into a square, a is 5x, b is 3y plus 3y whole square. Okay, now what is the whole square of 5x? It becomes 5 square is 25 and x square plus 3y whole square is 9y square because 3 square is 9. Okay, now we multiply 2 within the bracket, and when we multiply 2 within the bracket, it becomes 50. 2 multiply 25 is 50 and 2 multiply 9 is 18y square. Okay, now question number 3. 3l plus 2m whole square minus 3l minus 2m whole square. Now in this question, we use the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to 4ab. Okay. Small difference between these two formulas. In this formula, we have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. But in this formula, we have a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. In these two formulas, we have only difference of plus and minus. Okay. If we have plus between these two terms, we use the formula of 2 into a square plus b square. And if we have minus, then we use the formula of 4ab. Okay. Now, according to this formula, here a is 3l, b is 2m. Okay. A is 3l, b is 2m. A plus b, a minus b. Okay. Now, according to this formula, 4ab. So first of all, we write 4. A means 3l, b 2m. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and L multiply M, Ln. So that's why we write here 24 Lm. Okay. So let's move to the question number 4. L plus M multiply L minus M multiply L square plus M square multiply L power 4 plus M power 4. Okay, now in this question we use the formula of A plus B, A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Okay ji, which formula? A plus B multiply A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Okay, how we solve this question? We solve this question stepwise. First we use this formula on these two terms, then we use the formula on the answer of these two terms and next term, and then again we use the formula of answer of these two terms and last term. Okay, now first of all we use this formula on first two terms. L is A, M is B. So L plus M means A plus B, A minus B. Now A plus B multiply A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So A square, L square minus B is M, so M square. L square minus M square multiply L square plus M square and L power 4 plus M power 4. Now we solve these two terms. Okay, and we get the answer L square minus M square. Now it's time to solve the next two terms. Okay, now in this step we have to solve these two terms. Okay, now again we apply the formula A plus B multiply A minus B equals to A square minus B square. Here A is L square and B is M square. So we write L square whole square minus M square whole square multiply L power 4 plus M power 4. Okay ji. Now L square whole square is L power 4 minus M square whole square is M power 4 and multiply L power 4 plus M power 4 still remaining same. Okay, now when we solve these two terms, okay, in this step we have to solve these two terms, last two terms. Okay, again we apply the formula of A plus B multiply A minus B equal to A square minus B square. But now in this step we have A is L power 4 and B is N power 4. Okay, L power 4 whole square minus M power 4 whole square. So it becomes L power 8 minus M power 8. Okay ji. Now let's move to the next question. But before moving to the next question, here is the point for the discussion. Point is, if we have L power 4 bracket 2, अगर आपके पास ये पॉइंट गौर से समझ लें, अक्सर बच्चे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आप ये कह सकते हैं कि 90% स्टूडेंट्स इसमें मिस्टेक करते हैं. और वो मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं? देखिए, m power 4 bracket 2, it's mean we have to multiply 2 with 4. 4 multiply 2, that is 8. लेकिन अगर आपके पास ये इस तरह लिखा हुआ हो, m power 4 power 2 ब्रैकेट ना हो और 2 लिखा हो, तो इट्स मीन वी हैव टू टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ 4 एंड योर आंसर इज m power 16. समझ आए? ये पॉइंट है यहाँ पर एक कि अगर ये ब्रैकेट हुई तो 4 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर 8 होगा. अगर ये ब्रैकेट ना हुई, सिर्फ 2 ऊपर लिखा हुआ, तो इट्स मीन कि 4 का स्क्वायर लें 16, m power 16 is your required answer. Okay, now move to the next part. Question number 5. Question number 5 is AB minus 1 over AB whole cube. Now in this question we have to use the formula of A minus B whole cube equals to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B whole cube. Okay, now according to this formula, A is AB and B is 1 over AB. So now AB whole cube minus 3AB plus 3AB whole square minus B whole cube. Now AB whole cube is A cube B cube minus, here is AB whole square and here is AB. AB cancel with AB square, so remaining is AB. देखिए अगर आपके पास x स्क्वायर हो डिवाइडेड बाय x करते हैं आप, तो x को जब x स्क्वायर के साथ आप कैंसिल करते हैं तो पावर कितनी बचती है 1, इसलिए ए बी ही लिखेंगे, इसकी पावर 1 जो है वो हम नहीं लिखेंगे। अब आगे देखें, ए बी कैंसिल विद ए बी होल स्क्वायर, सो रिमेनिंग इज 3 ओवर ए बी, इसकी पावर 2 थी, एक कैंसिल हो गई, एक पावर बच जाएगी, माइनस ए बी होल क्यूब इज 1 डिवाइडेड बाई ए क्यूब एंड बी क्यूब। इसी के साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 2x plus 3y plus 2 whole square. Now in this question we have to use the formula of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, according to the formula, a is 2x, b is 3y and c is 2. So we write here a square means 2x square plus 3y whole square plus 2 whole square means a square b square c square plus 2ab. So 2a is 2x and b is 3y. Now plus 2bc. Here b is 3y, c is 2 plus 2 ca. c is 2. a is 2x. So that's why we write here 2 and 2x. Okay, now 2x whole square is 4x square, 3y whole square is 9y square, 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12y, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and x. Okay, so that is your required answer of question number 6. So let's start the question number 7. Question number 7 is 2p plus q whole cube, and in this question we have to use the formula of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, now according to this formula we write here a cube, a is 2p, b is q, so a cube plus 3a square means 2p whole square and b means q plus 3ab square. A is 2p, b is q plus b whole cube, and in this question b is q, so q whole cube. Okay, 2 cube is 8 and p cube plus 2 square is 4 and p square multiply q, 2 3s are 6p, q square plus q cube. Now 8p cube, 3 4s are 12, p square q plus 6p q square plus q cube. Okay, so which is your required answer of question number 7. Now question number 8, 3p plus q plus r whole square. So in this question again we use the formula of a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, according to this formula we have a is 3p, b is q, c is r. Okay, now we put the values according to the formula. A square means 3p square, b square means q square, and c square means r square, because in this question c is r. Okay, 2ab, so we write 2, a is 3b and b is q. Okay, 2bc, so we write 2, b is q and c is r. plus 2CA, 2C is R, A is 3P. Now, when you take the square of 3P, it becomes 9P square, and Q square plus R square, okay, and 2 multiply 3, 6 PQ plus 2Q R plus 2 3s are 6 RP. Okay, which is your required answer of question number 8. Okay. Now, question number 9, 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay, now we use the formula a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now, according to this formula, we put the values of a, b only. Here in this question, a is 2x and b is 3y. So, according to this question, 2x whole cube plus 3, a is 2x, b is 3y. So, that's why a square b plus 3, a b square, a is 2x, b is 3y whole square plus b whole cube. Okay, now 2 cube is 8, 8x cube plus 2 square is 4x square, 3y plus 3, 2x, 3y whole square is 9y square plus, okay ji, 3y cube. It becomes 27y cube. Here is mistake. We write here 27. Okay. We write here 27. So that's why we write here 27. Okay ji. Now 8x cube, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, xy square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54, xy square and 27y cube. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Next question is x plus y whole cube minus 1. We can write this x plus y whole square minus 1 cube, because you know that if we take the cube of 1, it again becomes 1. Because if you take any power of 1, it again becomes 1. Even if you take the power of 1 0, then it also becomes 1. यहाँ तक कि अगर आप 1 की पावर 0 भी ले लें तो भी इसमें 1 ही आना है. तो इसलिए अगर 1 की आप कोई भी पावर लें तो वो 1 ही आएगा. तो इसलिए हम इसको लिख सकते हैं कि 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 क्यूब. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट समझ आ गया होगा आपको. अब इस पे फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, x plus y whole cube minus 1 cube. So formula which we use in this question is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now according to this formula, a is x plus y and b is 1. A is x plus y and b is 1. So according to this formula, we write a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Now according to this formula, first of all, a is x plus y, for that's why we write here x plus y, minus b is 1, so we write here 1. Okay, a square, a is x plus y, so we write x plus y whole square plus ab. AB, so a is x plus y, b is 1, so we multiply x plus y with 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, now x plus y minus 1 into, we have to open the formula of x plus y whole square, so that's why a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is x and b is y, so x square plus y square plus 2xy plus When we multiply x plus y with 1, it remains x plus y, and 1 square is 1. Okay, now we start the question number 11. X minus y whole cube plus 64. X minus y whole cube plus 64. Now in this question we have to use the formula of a cube plus b cube, because here we have 64 and we can write 4 cube, because when you take the cube of 4 it becomes 64. जब आप 4 का क्यूब लेते हैं तो वो 64 बन जाता है, तो आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 64 को 4 का क्यूब। और अब आप देखें a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब इक्वल्स टू a प्लस बी इंटू a स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी प्लस b square. Now we use this formula. Here a is x minus y and b is 4. So that's why we write here x minus y plus 4 according to the formula. Next is a square. So we write x minus y whole square minus ab. So a is x minus y, b is 4. So we multiply according to the formula. Okay, next term is b square and b is 4. So 4 square. Now x minus y plus 4, and we have to open the formula of x minus y whole square. You know that what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that's why we open this formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, and when you multiply this minus and 4 within the bracket, it becomes minus 4x and minus minus plus 4y. 4 square is 16, which is your required answer of question number 11. Okay, now we start question number 12. Question number 12 is 8x cube plus 27y cube. Okay, now we can write 8x cube is 2x whole cube, because 8 is the cube of 2 and x cube is the cube of x. So we can write 2x whole cube. Okay, now here 27 is the cube of 3 and y cube is the cube of y. So we can write here 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube. Now we can use the formula of a cube plus b whole cube, which is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now according to the formula, a is 2x, so we write 2x, b is 3y, so we write 3y, a plus b हो गया ये 2x plus 3y, और आगे देखें 2x whole square minus 2x into 3y, because of this ab, 2x multiply 3y plus 3y whole square. Okay, 2x square is 4x square minus 2 3s are 6xy plus 3 square is 9 and y square. Okay, so let's start the question number 13. X power 6 minus 729y6. Okay ji, we can write x cube whole square minus 27y cube whole square. Why we write here 27? Because when you take the square of 27, it becomes 729. Okay, ये आपने यहाँ पर इसलिए लिखा, देखें जब आप 27 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 27 के साथ तो ये बनता है 729. ठीक है, तो आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 27 स्क्वायर. समझ आ रही है? इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा 27y क्यूब होल स्क्वायर. क्यूब इसलिए लिखा कि देखें 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b, x cube plus 27y cube into x cube minus 27y cube. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, Ji. Now we can write x whole cube plus 27 is the cube of 3. So we write 3y whole cube. And here we write x whole cube minus 27 is the cube of 3. So we write 3y whole cube. Okay. Now we use two different formulas. Here is a cube plus b cube. So we use this first formula for first bracket, this bracket. Okay जी. और दूसरा जो फार्मूला आपके पास दिया हुआ है ये वाला, ये आप यूज़ करेंगे दूसरी ब्रैकेट के लिए। ये फार्मूला आपने यूज़ करना है इस ब्रैकेट में। इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए ये, और फर्स्ट वाले को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहला फार्मूला आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे। अब देखें फार्मूला कैसे यूज़ करना है। एक्स क्यूब है प्लस 3y होल क्यूब है, तो ये बन गया ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब, और फार्मूले के मुताबिक ए प्लस बी इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर। तो ए प्लस बी मीन्स पहले एक्स प्लस 3y इंटू ए स्क्वायर मीन्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी, a is x and b is 3y, so x multiply 3y plus b square, and b is 3y, so 3y square is 9y square. आगे देखें, इसको अगर आप ओपन करते हैं तो a क्या है x, b क्या है 3y, तो a माइनस बी मीन्स x माइनस 3y, x स्क्वायर प्लस 3xy प्लस 9y होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है। अब इसको थोड़ा सा तरतीब से उन्होंने लिखा है कि x प्लस 3y, x माइनस 3y पहले लिख दिया, और उसके साथ ही आपने लिख दिया x स्क्वायर माइनस 3xy प्लस 9y स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3xy प्लस 9y स्क्वायर। तो इसी के साथ ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 कंप्लीट हो गया। अब आपके पास लास्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 भी सेम इसी तरह है जैसा कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, और आई होप कि अब आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 कर लेंगे। ये एक क्वेश्चन आपकी असेसमेंट में मैं दे रहा हूँ जो आपने खुद करना है। वैसे PDF फाइल तो आपको मिल जाएगी इसकी ग्रुप में, वहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हैं। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर क्वेश्चन। इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क मी फॉर हेल्प। आई एम हेयर टू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम्स।